What's up, everybody? Will back, Will Shop Dayton, and we're here with a 2007 Pontiac Torrent. We're going to be doing the starter. The first thing you want to do is disconnect your battery, your positive and your negative, which I'm going to do right now. The battery's hiding up under that little cover. Just loosen that. I'll take it out by hand now. Same thing to the negative. And you're going to secure it up on jack stands so you can get up under the vehicle to get to the starter. And these are 8mm. Might have to rock it back a little bit. 8mm. If you have a wrench, it'll fit in there. Great. So there's that. Kids out here playing on a Saturday morning, you know. Little tight fit. Wrench probably would make it a little bit easier. Couldn't find it. Go with the socket set. Okay, with both of them disconnected, and with it up on jack stands, as you can see, your starter, and you see the mount. That's what I'll be switching to. The starter is right there. And let me try to get you a good shot of these bolts where they are. You do not have to remove any covers or anything like that. You just need a long extension. If you can see, where is it? You can see right up there is a bolt. And then right on the front side is a bolt. Right there. You got one right there, and then one up through there adjacent. I believe they're 14mm. I'll let you know when I get to it. And there's also 2 bolts here. You need to loosen the connection. And that's pretty much it. Give me a second, let me set the camera up. Okay, back. I fitted up the side sockets. And first you want to remove this clip. As you see, it's just a lift clip. Just lift it up, pull it out, put it to the side. Then you have this socket. This one to remove right here, which I'm going to remove with a wrench. And the size of these bolts is a 15mm. So we're gonna break this one loose. Let me try to switch it to my mount. Hold on. Okay, wheel back. Just removed the sensor. Had a little technical difficulties, and like I said, this size is a 15mm. So I'm just gonna get that on there. The camera mount's not really helping me right now, so get that up on there. Break it free. Let's see how much I'm supposed to say. Good. Got that one broken free. Good. And then there's one right up there. Get slit between there. I'll have to remove a bracket. Okay, removing the screws. You see right there. This one, the back one that goes between the little thing, is the long one. The one that goes right there is the shorter one. Oh, wrench work. Alright. Should be able to pull that down. Maybe, maybe not. Need a little bit more. Just take it by hand. there it is. See? That's the long one. And then you got the short one right here. Then the starter will be free. By hand. As you can see, it's moving around, so it's going to sit there on that bracket. Okay, so I'm going to take that screw out. Take this, I think it's like a 410. I'm going to take that out after I remove the starter. I already have the clip free, and the starter will be out. Okay, got it loose. This is how it's going to come out. Got all the bolts out. Just lift up a little bit, wiggle, and there's your starter. And as you can see, you can get easy access to the terminals now. I'm going to loosen that up, and that's pretty much it. Starter removed. Hey everybody, Will back with the brand new starter. What we're going to do is we're going to loosen this. Take the nut off and the washer off. Should be one washer left. It'll be sandwiched between the washer. Give me a second, let me get up under here. Okay. So, as you see, starter goes up in there. I'll face it the right way. And as you can see, the screws and everything on it, it'll sit right up in there like that. You see, not going nowhere. And that gives us an opportunity to put these on. Let's get that out the way. They go right here. Right there on that one. You got two of them. Get my clip out the way. So you have this one. I'm gonna put that one first. Like that. Just like that. Then you're gonna take a second one. Or a bigger one. Put that one over it like so. Make sure it's all the way down. And tight. Good. Then we're gonna take our screws, which I still have the old screws and stuff, so I'm gonna use them anyway. They're the same ones. Put your washer. Put your nut. I'll just tighten it for hand by now. And then I'll take both of our screws. We got the small one and the big one. Let's see if I can get it on my chest and get a good video. Probably not. So we're gonna get it up in there. Okay, back, tightening it up. I got both of them threaded. I threaded the top one, I threaded the long one first. Right there. There's the long one first. Now we're just gonna tighten it up. Then I'm gonna tighten that up. And we're all done. Connect the battery and everything. I'm gonna check the terminals and stuff like that. Make sure everything's good. Tighten them up a little bit at a time. Alright, got everything tightened up. Tightened this up all the way. Got the bolts tightened all the way up. That one and that one. Starter's good and secure, not going anywhere. And now we just got to put in our clip. Our little clip right here. Like I said, just push clip. Take the clips right in like that. And the starter is brand new and all good. And that's pretty much it. We're gonna go back up and secure our battery, and that's about it. Nice beautiful day. Get some clouds. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna go back and secure our battery. Put these terminals back on, positive and a negative. Just do it by hand for the moment. Now tighten it up with the 8mm and the wrench, and we're pretty much all done. Sorry, the sizes that you needed socket-wise was an 8 for this, a 15 for the starter bolts, and for the little connection was a 15. Okay, that's good. We just need to tighten that back up. Tighten it back up and give it a start. You know what? I'm gonna grab my wrench. Back, got me a little ratchet and wrench. Makes it so much easier. Tighten these terminals up. Good. Good, nice and secure. Perfect. We're all good. And that's how you change a starter on the 2007 Pontiac Torrent. Put the cover back on. And I appreciate everybody. Make sure you hit the video. Make sure you hit it with a like. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Check out all the videos. I believe the next one's an oil change. And I'll catch you all later. Peace.